How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay.
I was very excited this morning because coming into school for the first time in a few months.
Anything you'd like to say to the people, all the rest of the children who are still at home?
Just keep on smiling and you'll have a good time.
Okay, fantastic. So it's lunch break at the moment, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are, 2 metres apart. What about you two? Have you got anything to say to everybody at home?
Well, it's really fun here because you actually get to see your friends. It's really sad that you're not allowed to like hug them. And
Yeah, very true.
But it's really fun that you don't have to see them on the screen all the time.
Okay, that's lovely. It's nice to see people in person.
At least you're seeing them not on screen. It's okay on the screen, but I like seeing them in person to
See
know
in
that they're
person.
okay.
Yeah, well, it's been very lovely seeing you all in person today as well. We're going to go over and say hi to the boys. Thank you very much, lovely ladies. Thank you, thank you. Okay, we're going to invade these lovely young gentlemen over here, and they're going to say hello to us, hopefully too, and so you can get to see people who are at school. Hey guys, you all right? I've got a favour to ask you. Okay, right, so I'm videoing, and the reason I'm videoing is because this is what I'm going to pop into today's assembly, so people can, at home, all the children at home are able to see a few of you, remember what you look like, and be able to, hear any messages that you've got for them.
I have a bush on my head.
You have, because you haven't managed to have a haircut, Dylan. It's looking very, very fine though. You're absolutely fine. Any messages for people at home? Not too close.
No, not particularly.
Okay, how about you, Hanny? How are you, lovely?
Well, actually, yeah.
I'm good, thank you.
You're good, yeah? What? Come on, Dylan. Come on then.
Well, yeah, I have been having messages from like other people in my family.
Have you?
My aunt's having a baby and stuff. So.
Wow, so you've got a lot of new news going on in your life
Yeah.
at the moment.
I'm
Fantastic.
finally not the youngest.
I was the
Always
youngest
been the
cousin of 40, Dylan, so youngest cousin of 40, so I know what you mean. I feel your pain. Well, congratulations. How about you, Hanny? How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, anything you think they should know at home? Stay happy, lovely. And are you happy to be back? Yeah, fantastic. How about you, William? How are you doing, gorgeous?
Good, thank you.
Yeah. Anything you think they should know at home or that you want to say to them? It's a really difficult question. I'm really sorry. Putting you on the spot. Is it better being back or being at home? Back seeing people, yeah? Okay, well, it's so lucky. We feel so lucky to have you. And how about you, Benji? You are colourful, colour personified today. Anything? Oh, I tell you what, both you and Dylan, actually, we need to remind people. What have we got to remind people to do for Friday?
Friday, it's got the Upcycle and Recycle Wear Clothes Day.
Okay, so Upcycle, Recycle, Wear Clothes Day. Okay, so we need to have a think about that. How are you though? You good?
Yes.
Okay, it's good to see you all back. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Stay safe, stay distant.
Bye.
Okay, and then we've got the other half of the group. As you can see, we're very lucky, able to socially distance from quite a substantial area. And they too are playing really well. I think they've been incredibly happy to see each other again. And I'll call them to have a chat. Hi guys, you all right? Okay, now what we're quickly doing, it may go in there, it may not, but I'm looking at making a little video for assembly today. So remember your distance, perfect. Look at that, naturally doing it brilliantly. Okay, so just to see if there's anything you wanted to say to everybody at home. So this will go home to all the children and families. Grace.
We are. It's working. We're getting it through. It's getting better.
Okay,
Keep smiling.
excellent. Thank you very much. Jemima, how about you?
Keep on giving. Keep up the good work and keep a smile on your face and don't let anything interrupt.
Okay, fantastic. Really good messages here. Grace, what about you?
Keep working.
Keep working, yeah. Has the work been okay? Have you been managing to keep up with it from home?
It's more like peaceful here actually.
Okay, it feels more point. I am really surprised at how quiet you've all been because it's not like you at all. You've all been very subdued today. Thank you, Grace. What about you, Annie? Any messages for everyone?
Stay positive.
Stay positive. Again, really important message. Thank you very much, lovely people. I'll go on to these gentlemen over here. Thank you. Hi guys, see you all okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just quickly doing a little video. I've explained this several times, so people on the video at home will be very bored by my explanation. But I'm going to put this within today's assembly instead of doing one of my normal assemblies. So is there anything that you think people should think about? No? Any thoughts on being back? Any thoughts for those back at home still? What about you, Indy?
Well, I'd say just keep on going. Don't get bored. Just
Okay.
keep doing your work.
Yeah, it's quite hard, I think,
And try not to be sad or something because you're not seeing your friends.
Okay.
Just keep on working.
How does it feel seeing your friends again?
It's way better.
Is it? It's
and,
nice.
And it's more fun, yeah.
Yeah.
To see them face to face instead of Zoom.
That's fantastic. Do you know what? I'm so pleased you're all here. And Joseph, what about you? Any messages for all those lovely people who normally follow you around the playground? Come on. Not even say hello to them? Fabian, what about you, lovely? What could you say to people? The ones that aren't able to join us again.
Kids.
Social distance kids. Is that you or them at home? Or both?
Everyone.
Everybody. Yeah. Any messages for anyone? Okay, I'm going to go and see the staff now then. Okay, thank you very much, gentlemen. Okay, and ladies, thank you. Okay, we'll go and say hi to the staff. So as you can see, we've been really lucky. Thank you. We've been really lucky here. We've got Miss Meakin, we've got Mr. Martin, and we've got Mr. Sides. So we're all here just supervising everybody and having lunch at the same time, just to make sure that everybody is able to play safely and look after themselves. So, Mr. Sides, let's start with you.
Oh no.
Okay, so this is going to go to everybody this afternoon, hopefully.
Pressure.
What would you like to say to anybody?
I think we've had a very nice start to the morning. We've managed to do some work, which is incredible. Children have been socially distancing very well. All very excited, all very happy, all seem very safe. Had lots of questions, but it's gone really well so far. Yeah. Really happy.
Fantastic. Yeah, fantastic. And how about you, Miss Meakin? Anything you'd like to say?
Pretty much the same. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're doing really, really well. They were a bit quiet at first because they didn't know what to do with
I've
themselves.
just said that to them as well. I'm not used to that at all.
But yeah, no, they've been chatting and having
Fantastic.
fun since.
Lovely. Any message for all those back at home still?
Just we miss you.
Yeah.
Still
No,
thinking
most
of you.
definitely, we definitely do. And you'll see Mr. Martin, nothing changes. He's being extremely adept at helping everybody organise themselves, so all is as it should. Mr. Martin, can you wave to us? There you go, there's Mr. Martin.
Explain the rules of foot golf. It'll take about another hour.
Okay, foot golf it is then, okay, I'll leave you to it. Okay, thank you very much. See you later, everybody. See you later. Okay. So not my usual type of assembly, as you can tell, but I thought it might just be nice for you to get a bit of a sensation of how it feels here at school and how the children are coping, which so far seems really well, and just the pure delight it was to actually see them. I cannot tell you how much we're missing you all, and I'm walking this way mainly so that I can give you a glimpse of the remainder of the school as we come up to it, because I know it's something that you will be missing too. It's felt just almost blissful having children back on site. I know there are many, many things still to feel worried about, but we're staying as safe as we can, and we're just missing all of you at home and wishing for a time when we're able to all be back together again. But it's been a really special moment having the Year 6 children back in particular as they embark upon the end of their time at Howe Green. So if I turn you around now, here we go. So you just get a good glimpse of the site of the school, of how it's looking. You'll notice a few little markers on the floor and directions around the place for people. But essentially the school is looking totally beautiful, really beautiful job, and just a little bit quieter than it should be. Okay, so everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. We're looking forward to greeting more of you next Monday, and then hopefully one day in the not too distant future we'll see you all again soon. Okay, so take care.